Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. The boat is the perfect hybrid platform for inshore fishing, heading out to the sandbar, or even some light offshore fishing. Extremely capable boat, powered by twin 200 V6 Mercury outboards. 4-stroke, of course, very smooth and refined power package on this boat. See the leaning post with the live well and sink. Very large casting deck across the transom. We do have our freshwater washdown in the back as well. If you need some additional seating, have no worries. As we have the integrated 3-wide, very comfortable bench seating across the transom. Very comfortable leaning post with flip-up bolsters. Blue gel-coated hardtop underneath. Spreader lights. Very nicely laid out dash. All the room you need for integrated electronics. Also Mercury Vessel View 4 for your engine data, Fusion Stereo, JL Audio speakers. Very spacious head as well. Moving forward, we'll see a couple features that really set this boat apart from some others in the category. First being a very spacious lounger for forward-facing seating. Forward casting deck with flip-up backrests for seating as well. Here we'll see the storage underneath the lounger. That's about waist deep. Plenty of storage for all your day excursion supplies. You have additional stereo controls forward, and this boat is equipped with the electric windlass as well, so make ease of setting up at the beach or fishing. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others in our in-stock inventory, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, and we'll finish up with a quick shot of the swim patio. So again, adding to the functionality for a day at the beach, scalloping, or just hanging out. Thanks, hope to see you on the water soon.